Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Air 5 Dutch door today. Hope you guys enjoy this one. This is going to be good. All right, we're on this beautiful Dutch door today. So we just started making this. This is December 17, 2019. We started making these Dutch doors. Well, the Air 5 version of it, but we were making the regular metal Dutch doors about 5 years ago we started making them. So we started getting a lot of requests on this. We were making it for customers, and we decided that we're going to start making it and actually stocking them. So this is a Air Dutch door. These are Air series. These are true divides. What that means is this is individual panes of glass that have been cut and put into these squares. These are true T-bars, which are not two pieces of metal welded together. It's one piece extracted, okay? Which prevents, that's a key part of making these doors, that we're actually using true T-bars. This is 1 inch, okay? I repeat, this is 1 inch. This is as small as you can get, or we can get our T-bars down to, with a dual glaze 5/8 stick piece of glass. The reason why is because the spacer we need for the glass to space the two pieces of glass together is the smallest that we can get at a relatively good price point that allows us to actually cover the spacer of the glass with the 1 inch T-bar. What makes it a Dutch door? Well, actually, I'll show you guys that when I flip it around. So on the front, notice how we have this little piece here, this little gutter. We put this on so if you have water or rain hitting the door, it comes down and actually diverts the water away from the door and not seep in from here. So Dutch doors are, any Dutch door, pretty much almost any company, they're not 100% very watertight. So you don't want to keep these doors in a place where you have zero overhang. If you get any kind of side wind with rain, you're gonna possibly get some water in. Not guaranteeing that, but it could happen. So I would tell you guys to make sure you guys have a good overhang on this door. Just in case. I mean, we try everything we can. We have a rubber seal that I'll show you guys on the bottom also. Really cool door. I think this is gonna do extremely well. And we also have this door in the Air 4 design, and we have another one that has a bottom metal kick plate also. This is a 42 by 96 inch door, which is 42 inches from side to side, 96 inches from all the way to the top to the bottom on the threshold. This door is black right now. You can get this door in different colors. This is Loy glass. You can also get it in different glass types also if needed. Let me flip this door around and show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Air Dutch. These little guys, grease nipples. Okay, this is how you grease up the hinges if you need to grease them up. If you don't like them, you can paint them or you can remove them. We leave it like this because when you grease them, it could chip the paint, so we leave it raw. A lot of people leave it. I think it adds a very nice mechanical element to it. All of our doors are already bored out for you, ready to go. Little latch, hit that latch, voila. Door opens up, keep your pets in, get a nice little breeze. This is awesome, guys. I love this thing. But yeah, so we stuck the little flush bolt inside so you don't get to see it come out. We have a little sweep on the bottom also, and another flat bar with a rubber piece on it. So we try our best to try to keep any kind of weather and water out, but it is a Dutch door. It's got a lot of splits to it, and you know, it could happen. So just keep that in mind. We want to put that on our videos just to make sure that we don't mislead anybody and we're honest about it. But this is what it looks like. Door opens up. You can also, once you lock this door in, acts like a normal door. You have your deadbolt, your latch. You can go in and out every single day. On your Sundays, you want to hang out, open the top, get some nice breeze in, keep the door in. Awesome. You know, this is what it's for. But little glass push beads. It's got a little bevel to it. That's what holds the glass in. And I don't know what else to talk about. I think it's just, it talks for itself. It's beautiful. But we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Air 5 Dutch door showcase today. If you guys have any comments, please let me know below. If you have any questions, you can ask me there also, or you can email us at info@pinkiesIrondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.